Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace icon missing. Open your Facebook. On the top of your screen, you can see that the Marketplace option is missing. Tap on the menu icon which is on the top left corner of your screen. You can see the Marketplace option is here. We can pin this icon to the home page. In order to do that, tap on the settings icon and then scroll down and tap on tab bar. Tap on customize the bar. Here you can see that everything is in auto, which means that Facebook will decide which of these icons will go on the home page. Find the marketplace. Tap on the drop down menu and then tap on pin. Close the app and open it again. And now you can see the marketplace icon in your home page. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.